Good afternoon, this is Ron with Mulholland Security, and I want to show you a beautiful project that we just completed. This is in beautiful Encino here in California. This home was recently burglarized, and this homeowner here was in dire need of an increase to their security. And we have managed to do just that while at the same time not compromising the looks and the beauty of this home. What we did here is we have completely enclosed the sides of the house with side fences. Nothing too fancy, but does do the trick in terms of security. These are 6 foot high. In the front, we've installed our custom aluminum gate, as well as custom aluminum fencing to give this home beautiful curb appeal. These are our patented aluminum gates. They're close to zero maintenance, no rust issues, because it's fully all aluminum, all made in the US here in our Canaga Park facility, all powder coated A to Z. So it's beautiful product, and almost zero maintenance on these products, which is a great benefit for homeowners. For the main gate here, we used the chain drive operator. We added a keypad here that can control both the pedestrian gate and the driveway gate. We've created a little opening here in our fence for the mailbox. So this is an A to Z project which came out amazingly beautiful. I'm going to open the gate here now for just a minute. Pedestrian gate opens up, and I can show you the inside of the property. There it is. We use the chain drive here because this gate travels uphill and not downhill. I'm sorry, not straight, and therefore our usual rack and pinion openers would not be sufficient here. But this is a small unit, doesn't take too much room and not too much electrical, and it does the job beautifully. So now let's see how that works. Again, we're going to enter a code, and driveway gate will slide out. And as you can see on the back end of it, it will pick up because of the slope inside the property. So it kicks up at the end, and it gets a bit of an angle on that. But once the timer slows down, once the timer counts is over, it will close and get to where it needs to be in order to secure this home. So timer runs out, and this gate will start sliding back. So again, both sides got fencing to protect, and then the front got the decorative aluminum fencing and the beautiful aluminum gate to kind of mirror the garage door. Overall, this came out amazingly beautiful. This homeowner is ecstatic about it, and so are we. It's a big upgrade to the security of this property.